Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can find UnOrdinary merch in WEBTOON. So guys, if you're a diehard stan and you don't know how to find any ethical means of UnOrdinary merch, then this video is for you. When you buy any merch straight from the WEBTOON shop, it would directly benefit the author and will also help WEBTOON on keeping the website up. So this is very ethical, guys, if you're wondering about that. So guys, let's get started with the video. So first of all, you just need to be in this website right here, and once you're here you can find this WEBTOON shop option with the green font. Just tap there, and once you're here you can see many of these options right here. We just need to go ahead and tap on search by series. So now all you need to do is find the series that you like. This video is about UnOrdinary, so I'm going to be searching for that. It's right here, so I'm just going to tap on there, and once you scroll down you'll see many of these options right here. You can also buy their books on how to draw. There's also a coloring book and also hardback book. There's also a phone grip. There are t-shirts, a pin badge. So guys, once you choose what you like, just go ahead and tap on this quick add and it will be added to your cart. You can also choose what color you want it in. There are also options like this, and if you want a specific size you can also choose that. I'm going to choose small and tap on add to cart. You can also directly pay it through buy with shop app right there. And guys, there you go. That's how you find UnOrdinary merch in WEBTOON. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.